They put one coat of paint on the office. When they painted the office, it needed a second coat of paint. So this was a back storage room, so we took and we made that an Airbnb. There was washers and dryers because that was the laundry room. I took and made washer and dryer connections in every apartment. And when I made the washer and dryer connection in each apartment, I did away with that and I made that an Airbnb. And it was big enough to put a small 1-bedroom Airbnb. So we took the office, and we only have an office that's like 10 by 7. Little small office, but nobody mans the office. The office could have been 2 Airbnbs that was split in the center, maintain the office in case somebody wants it down the road. I don't need anybody to sit in the office here. We don't have an office person that sits on the office at the neighborhood next door we're going to go to, but we do have an office over there that's a whole house. We will probably eventually go ahead and move that too. And we may move it all into here and say, okay, we'll have one person sitting here. But we handle everything we do is through the internet, everything. You can do a virtual tour on our properties through the internet and see whether you like it or don't like it. And then our maintenance guy can let you in to show you the apartment. Doesn't matter.